welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is the first time you're joining me. Today I created a full face of Fenty. If you'd like to see how I created this look and also some of my opinions on the Fenty line and the brand new bronzer that she has, please keep on watching. Before I put foundation on, I'm going to prime the Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer. Expensive using it. I feel like a bougie bitch. Thank you, Rihanna, for making us all feel rich, even when we're not. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Pro Filt'r like hydrating foundation. And this is like the first time I'm using it. I've never tried it before and I hope I like it. Tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you do things to me. You ignite the flame, cause some pain. Guess I like it still makes your skin look so like flawless. Oh, Rihanna, you are a queen. I hope you guys can tell that the audio and lighting is better because I bought a new lens and I bought a new mic. Oh my god, I feel so expensive. I'm gonna go in with the concealers. You can see that. And with my makeup, I'm trying to lift my face basically with my makeup instead of having like a rounder face, because as you can see my face is very round because I'm very round. Ha ha ha.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Tell me, so confusing, but you're mesmerized. Oh, this concealer is so pretty. Wow, it blends like butter. I'm just gonna use a little bit because this is way brighter. Tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you do things to create that lift, because that's the vibe I'm going for nowadays. Now I'm gonna set this because I'm only gonna set my under eye because I'm gonna try the cream bronzer. That's it. So I'm gonna set with the shade Honey. And around my mouth. Okay, now for the part that you guys probably came to my video for, is the cream bronzer. Because I'm not part of Fenty's PR list, I'm not sure why. I bought the bronzer. I did want to buy the blushes, but like, where's the money? It looks like a contour shade to me. Like, look at that. Does that look like a bronzer to you? I'm gonna put that on my neck, on my chin, my forehead. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this in with a different brush and see if I like it. I don't know if I like that. This is the shade I used, I forgot to say, was chocolate. This is what it looks like without setting. It's very like luminous and it's not very, is pigmented the word? It's not that pigmented. Because it's supposed to be like this is for summer, like it's supposed to be like a bronzer, have it for like a dewy look if that makes sense, but that's not my vibe. I'm going to set that with the MOCHA MAMI shade bronzer brush, and I'm just going to set all of that and warm my face a bit up as well. I'm going to contour with my Fenty matchstick in the shade Espresso because I don't want to use the bronzer because it's quite slippery. So I don't want to put that on my nose because I feel like it will just slip. Tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it. I'm just gonna blend that with this really like, I think this is brushes like from Amazon or something. Powder. I'm gonna set my nose and also set my forehead a bit. And I'm also gonna set my jawline. I'm just gonna set on my contour as well. Grab like a powder brush. This is the Zoeva 101 brush. And just powder that away. Oh, this brush loves to shed. I've had this brush for years, that's why. I think. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows on camera because I'm not using a Fenty product. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. The 390 shade, so like the darker shade. If you guys want a brow routine, I can film it for you. Because I have changed it now. I made my eyebrows thinner and then I shaved the edges of my eyebrows too. Now that I've done the base and I'm looking flawless, I'm looking gorgeous and I'm glowing and I'm I just love this makeup look so much. I'm going to be using the Fenty. This is the Killawatt foils in Mimosa Sunset and Sangria Sunset. Look how dewy I look. This is like a highlighter. Wow. Wow. You tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you do. I can't wait for her to do matte blushes because this is cute, but like my skin isn't the most flawless in terms of texture and it's kind of making me look a bit more textured. So I'm just going to pat that down a bit. And we're nearly done with this full face of Fenty. I'm going to use this shade Cognac Candy. So let's see how beautiful this highlight is. Oh, oh my god. I love you, Rihanna. Look out for sales for the stuff that doesn't sell as much. I got this for like £14 when I went to Boots during Christmas. So just look out. I'm going to use this shade, the red shade here, and I'm going to put that on my lid with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Cause you do things to me. You ignite. You guys might be wondering, sis, why aren't you priming your eyelids? I don't usually prime unless I'm doing like really pigmented eyeshadow looks. I'm going to use this brown shade here in my crease with the same brush, but I'm going to try and be more precise with it. So I'm going to literally go in like the shadow where your eyes literally set and just darken it up a bit. You tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you. I gotta love her, but she oversees. Okay. Work for me, yeah. I'm gonna go back in with that pink shade and just go on my lid to make it a bit lighter again. With the same one brush. So I did this very simple eyeshadow look with just one brush. Nearly finished this look. I'm going to use the Fenty eyeliner because I'm still trying to create that like foxy eye look. I'm going to just focus on the end of my eyebrows. I mean, I'm going to focus on the end of my eye and I'm not going to bring the eyeliner right to the front. You tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you do things to me. You ignite the flame, cause some pain. I'm using that red shade underneath my eyes. You tell me, so confusing, but you mesmerize me. I love it cause you. I'm gonna use the Fenty mascara, full frontal. Ooh. Okay. Rihanna said, we're all gonna have lashes today. Don't worry, sis. Wow. If you're gonna get anything from this whole collection of Fenty, if this is the first time you're thinking about buying anything from Fenty, get that mascara and get the foundation. It's not overhyped. It's amazing. And to be honest, everything is really good. Like, my base looks amazing. I know this isn't like a Fenty review, but just in case you're here to like, if this is your first time you want to buy something from Fenty, or you've never actually used Fenty before, and wear the same shade maybe. Okay, so I'm going to put some lashes on off camera because Fenty doesn't have lashes yet. I'll be back. I'm back. And to create them, that foxy eye trend, you know, thing that everyone's doing, that we all love, I, you know, basically these lashes are already cut up, but I put them towards the end. They were Huda Beauty lashes that I got for free in a giveaway, but I'll link them down below in case anyone wants to purchase them. To me, You ignite the flame, cause some pain. Guess I like to get burned. To finish the look, I'm gonna wipe the center so that there's no brown in this part. I'm just gonna dab the red from the eyeshadow, the MOCHA eyeshadow palette, in the center of my lip. But I'm gonna use the gloss in hot chocolate, like the brown gloss. Ooh. I'm just gonna go, basically I realized that the lip was a bit too dark and I didn't really like the vampy look. So I basically just added Fussy in the center just to make it look a bit more softer. Now I'm just gonna set my face, and guys, don't judge me. I'm not the biggest fan of Jeffree Star. I'm not, but I am the biggest fan of pink. Okay? So I had to get this. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. I know it's not Fenty, but sorry. And this smells like strawberry. So I had to get it, okay? It smells like strawberry and it's pink, so I had to. I'm sorry. The look. I hope you guys liked it. Rihanna's great. This face, this beat is great. If I do say so myself, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked, please like it. If you thought of something that you wanted to comment, please comment it down. If you want me to film any other videos, please comment it down. If you disliked it, dislike it. Every bit of engagement helps me get back into the algorithm because I've been pushed out because of my inconsistent ass. Everyone, just share it so that they can see it and they can like learn how to do a full face of Fenty. Okay? Bye.